Ever wished your car could cater to everyone's climate needs? Let's dive into the four-zone HVAC system. In luxury cars, this advanced system controls the climate for four individual zones: the front driver's seat, front passenger seat, and both second-row seats. Each zone gets its own amount of air and temperature, tailored just for them. This means no more bickering over the AC. With its complex architecture, you'll only find this feature in top-tier vehicles. So the next time you're in a luxury car, remember, comfort isn't just in the seat, it's in the air too.